The acceleration sensor is an integral part of the PSM system. If it fails, replacement is quick and easy. The sensor is located under the right side trim panel, indicated by the red arrow. Remove the panel by sliding it out from the side trim and molding, and then it hinges up towards the rear. The sensor is located beside the shock tower mount, red arrow. Squeeze in on the tab on the electrical connection and pull it straight up and off, red arrow. Use a 10mm socket and remove the two mounting nuts indicated by the red arrows. Lift the sensor off of the mount. Clean any dirt or debris off the mount before installing the new sensor. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.